I'd love to see some military guys trying to get this hooked up. But anyways, the Zero UAV transmitters, here they are. One comes without a sticker on the back. No instructions at all. The other one comes with a sticker on the back. So it actually made it through the factory, I guess. They're saving money. But you can see here ground and 12 volt and video in and audio ground and power in. Here's my wire adapter. Didn't want to cut any wires, so I made a wire adapter to the ground and the video on the far end, the yellow. Here is the 600 milliwatt 5.8. I'm suspecting is burning out slowly because it used to get really hot and now it doesn't get hot at all, but it still transmits very well, as you can see over there. It's transmitting as we speak. There it is. Anyways, Bearcat, leave that alone. Go lie down. Anyways, we're going to plug this feed in now. We're going to unplug the 5.8 camera that we know works, and we're going to plug it into the Zero UAV supplied 5.8 transmitter feed and plug in the Zero UAV so we can get some power. So let's do that first. Okay, don't like that spark. We're gonna have to figure that out. Now the Zero UAV has picked its channel. We'll let it go through its startup. Its 5.8 has power now. We're gonna unplug the camera, which we just saw working, and the power to the 5.8 transmitter. Now we're going to plug this back in. Okay, now we're going to connect the wires here, white to white, signal, video. We know the camera works now with the GoPro, with the Fat Shark lens on it actually. We know the camera works, so let's see if we can do this in the background here. We're going to scan, scan the frequency, get ready to stop it when we see the frequency lock in, and oh, we missed it. There we go. So frequency B5, we have our 94% and 63% antenna feed there, but we don't have any picture from that camera, and it's plugged directly in, as you can see, to the video feed on this working 5.8 transmitter. So there's something simple here that's going on, but I can't see why it would work with my $45 transmitter and not work with the very expensive fan-driven TX here. So anyways, we'll leave the wires as they were and plug in the video and ground feed that was in it, and then plug in the camera to that, and we'll see what we get from the feed. It might be an HDMI input, but it certainly looks analog to me, and HDMI would have a lot more wires. I think even S-Video has more wires, 5, so covering the different colors. So this problem is going to have to be solved before this thing goes to do any work, and I would not recommend these Blue Sky TX600s. They're TX600 basically, with the dip switches on the back, because it's really, we'll try it with my patch antenna, but it should be heating up a lot more than it is, and quite disappointed with this purchase actually. I won't get upset. I'm not going to put myself off. I'm going to get probably a better transmitter, maybe even an Immersion 600, just because we'll want to see what the hype's all about, and we'll test that out. Have a good night, guys. This graveyard shift stuff's killing me.